Got a situation. Got new. Hold on. Damn it. Pause. Let me get the screw back. Got a situation. Got new new cowbells in. The screws that came with it don't even line up. Don't even do nothing. They that much too short. The screws I bought from Home Depot, Harbor Freight, Ace, were too short. So here comes the MacGyver in the world here. Me and my man Roddy talked about it. He said, Rob, since we want to keep the same theme of Allen wrenches throughout with the washer, and you don't feel like waiting, make the screw longer. I said, my previous bike, we used the previous screws off the bike, and for some reason they threaded in just fine into the top of this, but I didn't have this type of cowbell on it. So what we came up with is chop off this, because this is the wrong thread anyway. It's a metric or something like that, or it's fine. Chop that off, 1, 2, and re-weld it onto here. Then we'll get our length right. See, will be this length right here will be long enough. Then we can always shorten it up. So we're just experimenting. Broke out the welder, and it's just actually, if it works, it works. It don't, it don't. But this is an experiment to see if I can even do it. A lot of times it'd be the challenge. Yes, I could wait, or I could have extended these right here, but these were too short, and I don't like this head. I want an Allen. All the places I've been to, they did not have it, and so we said, okay, we'll just make our own. And the Harley Davidson one looks like this, which I don't want that. I want this. I want it on chrome Allen. So that's where we at with it. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, I've already chopped the screw and put it back together, so I've got the technique down of what I want to do. This part may be seen because it's inside of here, but yeah. So the new part with the correct thread right there, and that's the head I want. But I think I'm finna go to the hardware store and see, because I don't like these little threads on the top. I need it to be nice and shiny chromy. This is an aluminum looking screw. So pause again. So when you put the screw through the triple tree, yes, you can buy this one. That's enough to hold on to something right there. But if you add the washer into it, it's going to back up to about right there. That's not enough to hold nothing. So I found myself going to the hardware store, got some more screws, chopped them, extended them, bam. Now we can chop it over here, clean up the thread. Oh, chop it over here, clean up the thread. We'll have enough to get the washer on it. So this is what I came up with. Once again, this was just a demonstration for me to see if I could do it. Since they didn't sell a screw this long, I made my own. Just add it to it to get to where I wanted it to be. I want the shiny on top with the washer there. I don't want to do. I had to go look at these. These were the wrong ones, but nothing on the bike has this on it. So took those up out of there. Took the ones that came with the kit for those here, and then extended it so it can be where I need to be. 1 down, 3 to go. Yeah, so see, with extending it, got my cut zone. Now I got enough threads out the back with the washer to lock in to the top of this, versus what I had before, which was way too short. Hey, behind the scene things that you never see. Got my tap kit to clean the threads. Got my tools over here, a little workbench and whatnot. It's always good to have your tools just in case you have to go MacGyver and make it happen. And save your old parts before you finish the build, because it saved me a lot of walking back and forth when I kept that old triple tree. MSI, we out. Like we say, it's all in the details. All in the details. Yeah, I think that that's something different there. Yeah, that part right there.